Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well. My name is Mariam and I am here to teach you maths. Student, today we are going to do LCM by using division method, and this is your chapter number 2, that is HCF and LCM, and we are going to start question number 7 on page number 36. So let's start writing classwork, date, day, page number 36, topic HCF and LCM. So student, you have already done LCM in your previous classes. Anybody wants to tell me what is LCM? Yes, LCM is the least common multiple. The number that is the multiple of the given number and common and the most smallest. Least mean smallest or lowest. We have two methods to find the LCM. Number one is prime factorization. And number two is by division method. These both methods are pretty same because in both method we use factors. Almost same because in both method we use factors. What are the factors? Factors are the numbers made by multiplying two numbers to get another number. For suppose if we multiply 2 into 3 to get another number, that is 6. So the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. We get 6 by multiplying these numbers. So these are the factors. So now come to the point how to do LCM with the help of division method. To find the LCM by division method, we have to follow some rules, and to understand it more clearly, let's take an example. Take an example. Find out LCM of 42, 18, 12 and 9 by division method. Write solution. So our first step is listed the given number horizontally and separated them with the commas. This is how we list them. This part should be done with the help of pencil. 42, 18, 12, 9. So our next step is to divide these given number with the least prime number we think of. That is, these numbers are divided by the least prime numbers and the quotient is written under the number in the next row. The quotient should be written under the number in the next row. That is, we think of a least prime number as 2. Yes, 42 divided by 2 is 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 21 is the quotient. 21 under the number in the next row. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, and if the number is not divided by the taken number, so we will write it as it is 9. Now again we will think of the least prime number that is divided by one of these number. 6 is also divided by 2 and the least, so we will take 2 again. 21 as it is, 9 as it is, 2 3 is 6, yes, and 9 as it is. Now take another number that is divided them. So let's take 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again we will take 3. 7 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 1s are 3. We continue dividing until we get 1 or the numbers are completely divided. So we are left with the 7. 7 is divided by itself, so 7 1s is 7, 1 1 1. This is how we do LCM by division method. So our last step is to write the given prime numbers and multiply with each other. LCM 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. The product of these prime numbers is the LCM of the given numbers. What we get by multiplying them? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 multiplied by 7 is 7 6 are 42, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25, that is 252. 252. The product of the given prime number is the LCM of the given numbers. Hence, the LCM of 42, 18, 12 and 9 is 252. Our answer is 252. Okay student, we have done LCM. I have told you how to do LCM by using division method and I have done an example for you. So let's start doing question that is on your page number 36 and question number 7. Find the LCM of the following using division method. There are 5 parts over here and I am going to solve 3 parts and 2 parts done by yourself. And you have to tell me whether you get the answer or not. So let's start doing question. Start writing date, classwork, day and question number 7, that is find the LCM of the following using division method. I'm going to solve part E, 39, 81, 65, 75. I have written the question. So let's start doing. Our first step is to write them horizontally, separate them with the commas. This part should be done with the pencil. 39, 81, 65, 75. Now we have to think the least prime number that could be divided one of the given numbers. Least prime number, and it is not necessary that all the numbers can be divided by the number. So let's think of a least prime number. Taking 39. 39 cannot be divided by 2. Why? Because 9 on one's place is an odd number and 2 is an even number. So 39 cannot be divided by 2. We can also check it. 2 1s are 2, 19, 9s are 18, so it is not completely divided because the remainder is 1. 81 is also not divided by 2. Why? Because 1 is an odd number and 2 is an even number. So 65 not, 75 not. So let's take 3. Yes, 3 can also be divided by 39. We'll take 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. You can check here. 39 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Completely divided, 3 13s are 39. What we have to do, that the quotient is under the number in the next row. Quotient under the number in the next row. Now 81, we can check 81. 3 2s is 6. 8 minus 6 2 and 1 as it is 21. 3 7s are 21. So 81 is also completely divided with 3. We get 27. 3 27s are 81. Let's take 65. 65. 3 2s is 6. 5. No. This number cannot be completely divided by 3. So we will bring it down as it is, 65. Remember, if the number is not divided by the taken number, we can bring it down as it is. Let's take 75. 75. 3 2 is 6. 1 5. 3 5 is 15. The quotient is 25. This number is completely divided by 3. Write the quotient under the number in the next row. 3 25s are 75. Now again let's think another prime number, least prime number that can be divided one of the given number. So again 27, 13, 65, 25. So 2 cannot be divided any of the given number. Why? Because 13 is an odd number and 2 is an even number. So 13 cannot be divided by 2. 27 is also not divided by 2. 65 is also not divided by 2. 25 is also not divided by 2. You can check it that 65 by 2, 2 3 is 6, 5, 2 2 is 4, 10, not completely divided by 2. So we will take 3 again. 13 is not divisible by 3, so we will bring it down as it is. 13 is a prime number that can be divided by itself, only itself or 1. So again now take 27. 3 9s are 27. 65, no. We have already done 65 by 3 here. 65. Now 25. 3 6 7, no. 25 is also not divided by 3. Now again we can take 3 again because 9 is clearly divided by 3. 13. 3 3 is 9. 65 as it is and 25 as it is. Now again we can take 3 because 3 is divided by 3. We continue dividing until we get 1. Now what we have got here, 13, 65, 25. Let's think of the least prime number, that is 5. Yes, 5 can be divided by 65. 65, check here, 65. 5 ones are 5 and 6 minus 5, 1 and 15. Sorry, it's 5. 6 minus 5, 1 and 5 and 5 threes are 15. The quotient we got here is 13. Let's take 5. 13 as it is, 1. 5 13s are 65. and 25 clearly divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. Again take 5. Now we are left with 13, and 13 is a prime number, so 13 is only divided by itself. So these prime numbers multiplied, LCM is equals to the product of these prime number is the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, so multiply these numbers. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Multiply by 5 multiply by 5 and multiply by 13 is equals to, multiply by these numbers. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 से. 27 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. 3 7 is 21. 3 2 is 6. 7 8 81. 81 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 5 से. 81 multiplied by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 8 is 40. Now what we got? 405. 405 multiplied by 5 again. 5 5 is 25. 5 4 20. 20 25. What we got here is 20 25. Now 20 25 multiplied by 13. Multiply by 13. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 7. 3 zeros is 0. 3 2s are 6. 1 5s are 5. 1 2s are 2. 1 zeros are 0. 1 2s are 2. Now we got here 5. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 3, 6, 2. What we got? 2, 6, 3, 2, 5. 2, 6, 3, 2, 5. 3, 2, 5. Hence, the LCM of the given number is 2, 6, 3, 2, 5. Student, we have done part E. We're done with the part E. Now come to the next part, that is part D. That is 12, 26, 16, 39. Write down the question. Part D, 12, 26, 16, 39. First step is write them horizontally and separate them with the commas. 12, 26, 16, 39. Now let's think the least prime number that can be divided any of the given number. So let's take 2, because 2 clearly divided by 12. 12 is clearly divided by 2, sorry. So 2, 6 are 12. 26 is also divided by 2. You can check. 26, 2 1s are 2. 6, 2 3s are 6. So what we got? 13. Write down the quotient under the number in the next row. 16, yes, clearly divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. 39, not be divided by 2 because the ones 9 is, the last number is odd number, 2 is an even number. We can check also. 2 1s are 2, 19, remainder left is 1. So 39 cannot be divided by 2. So we will bring it down as it is. Now again we can take 2. 2 3s are 6. 13 as it is. 8, yes, 2 4s are 8. 39 as it is. 4 can be divided by 2. So we will take 2 again. 2 2s are 4. 39 as it is. Now again we can take 2. We continue dividing until we get 1. Now let's take 3, because here we got 3 and 3 can be divided by itself. 3 1s are 3. 13 as it is. 1. 39, we can check. 39 can be divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 9. 3 3s are 9. Yes, 39 can be divided by 3. So the quotient we got is 13. Write the quotient under the number. Yes, 13. So 13, we have left with the 13. So 13 is a prime number. 1 1 1 1. We are done with the division. Write down all the prime numbers and multiply with each other. LCM. The product of these numbers is the LCM. 2 multiplied by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Multiply by 3 and multiply by 13. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3, 16. Multiply by 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3. And plus 1, that is 48. 48 multiplied by 13. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 4s are 12. 13 14. Multiply cross. 1 8s are 8. 1 4s are 4. 4 8 plus 4 9 10 11 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 6. So what we got? 624. 624, sorry. Hence the LCM of the given number is 624. Okay students, now come to the next part, that is part C. 25, 18, 36, 40. 25, 18, 36, 40. Write down the part C. 25, 18, 36, 40. Write solution and start writing. First step is write them horizontally. Separated them with the commas. Now our second step is to check that one of the given number is divided by the least prime number. So we will take 2 because 2 is clearly divided by 18. 2 9s are 18. So we will take 2. 25 cannot be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. You can check. 5. 2 2s are 4. 1. The remainder is 1. So it is not completely divided. So we will bring it down as it is, and 2 9s are 18. 36 is divided by 2. Yes, 36. 2 1s are 2. 1 16. 2 8s are 16. So 18. Quotient under the number in the next row. 40 is also divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is. 2 20s are 40. We will take again 2. Why? Because 18 is clearly divided by 2 and 20 is also. 25 as it is. 9 is not divided by 2. 9 as it is. 18 to 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Now we will take 2 again because 10 is divided by 2. 25 as it is. 9 as it is. 9 as it is. And 2 5s are 10. Now the next least prime number is 3 because 9 is clearly divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. So we will take 3. 3 cannot be divided by 25 cannot be divided by 3. Why? We can check here. 25 3 6 18 3 7 28 is 24 1. So it is not completely divided. So as it is, 3 3 the 9, 3 3 the 9 and 5 as it is. We will take 3 again. 25 1 1. Continue dividing until we get 1. So here 5. We will take 5 because 5 can be divided by itself and 25 is also divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 1 1 1s are 5. Now again we will take 5 1 1 1 1. Now our division is complete. So now write down all these prime numbers and multiply them. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 3. You can check 24 multiplied by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 72, 72 multiplied by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 36, 360, 360 multiplied by 5. That is 5 0s is 0, 5 6 is 30, 3 carry 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 16, 17, 18, 1800. So the answer is 1800. You can erase it now. So hence the LCM of the given number is 1800. This is how we do LCM by using division method.